Welcome back to the channel Classic Car Enthusiasts as we dive into a truly remarkable story of American muscle surviving against the odds far away from its homeland. Today we are looking at a genuine time capsule, a 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 that is currently sitting patiently on the wrong continent waiting for a change of luck. In the classic car world, there is an old adage that a car is original only once, and this immaculate unrestored survivor forces you to respect that phrase to its absolute core. Currently residing in Europe, this gold award-winning Z28 is a 100% original machine that breathes and drives exactly as it did when it first rolled off the showroom floor over half a century ago. Its tremendous provenance begins with its very first owner, a man named Richie, who cherished and preserved this special vehicle for 4 decades. Following his stewardship, the Camaro passed to a dedicated collector, then to a British enthusiast for 7 years, and finally into the hands of a Dutch classic car dealer. What makes this Z28 truly unparalleled is its bulletproof paper trail. Spanning 2 incredibly thick binders, the documentation includes the original window sticker, the factory build sheet, the body tags, and virtually every maintenance invoice ever written. It even comes with the physical checkbook that Richie used to purchase the car back in 1973. Beneath that pristine sheet metal, the Survivor retains its complete numbers matching drivetrain. At the heart of this classic road hugger is a 350 cubic inch V8 engine producing a factory-rated 245 horsepower. This legendary power plant is bolted to the original wide ratio 4-speed manual transmission, still equipped with its factory key lockout function, sending power to a limited slip differential with 3.73 gears. The only modification made over the last 50 years is a tasteful period-correct addition of an oil pressure and vacuum gauge set. With an incredibly low 36,309 miles on the odometer, this Z28 remains an untouched slice of early 70s performance. Born from the crucible of motorsport to conquer the Trans Am Racing Series, the Z28 moniker represents a golden era of driving. Now this impeccably preserved piece of American history waits across the Atlantic, hoping for a new owner to continue its incredible legacy on the open road.